Museum at Schip is an incredible place to come to learn about the Amsterdam School. I didn't know about it before, and then I learned about this museum, and I promise you it has opened my eyes completely to Amsterdam history. So, really cool tower. It was really amazing walking around. I've learned so much, and the Museum at Schip and the Amsterdam School's architecture structure is a lot more organic and round, whereas the surrounding buildings are a lot more angular. From what I've gathered so far is that the Amsterdam School was really about bringing richness to the lives of the everyday man, and that was a true ideal of socialism, bringing people out of poverty and into a more equal society. So